How to see first message on Instagram without scrolling. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for Instagram. Open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for Instagram. If you see any update option available, click on it to update your app. If not, go back to your home page and open the Instagram app. On Instagram, make sure you are logged in to your account. On your home page, swipe left or tap on the messaging icon at the top right corner. On your chat section, select the chat where you would like to see the first message. Tap on the person's name. Click on search. You can use search message to search for any message inside a chat. Try to remember your first message. A lot of the time, the first message is hi or hello. If I type in hi, then as you can see, I have moved on to my first message. Now I can simply scroll down and see other messages. So that's all for today. Thank you.